Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve a times b is equals to 16 power 5 plus 2 power 10 and we have to find a plus b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So a times b is equals to 16, we can write it as 2 power 4 whole power 5 plus 2 power 10. Now, according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power m. So it's become 2 power 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 power 10. Now 20 we can write it as 2 power 10 plus 10 plus 2 power 10. According to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So it becomes 2 power 10 times 2 power 10 plus 2 power 10. So 8 times b is equals to, if I'll take 2 power 10 is common, so 2 power 10 plus 1. We know that the value of 2 power 10 is 1024. So it becomes 1024 plus 1, that is 1025. So a times b. So if we compare, we can say that a is 1024 or b is 1025 or b is 1024 or a is 1025. So we have to find the value of a plus b. So whether you add 1025, 1024, 1025, 1024, this gives us same. So 1025 plus 1024 or 1024 plus 1025. This gave us 2049. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.